Hi guys, myself Chandrasekhar and I am from Taiwan. I am an Avionics Engineering Center of Autonomous Lab from Tamkam University. I just came back to India to take this course in Telangana Drone Academy to initiate and acknowledge my more knowledge in UAV field. So apart from that, when we go in a systematic way to proceed in a DGCA systematic way, so Telangana Drone Academy is giving a good opportunity for training a drone pilots in the civil aviation sector with all the legal issues and license based things. Telangana Drone Academy is makes a very vital role in especially on simulator and practical sessions, because the people those are making us to understand all the troubleshoots, and also they are letting us to know what is the exact thing we need to do in the field if there are any problems in the field, or if you are flying a section. And the instructors are very friendly with us, so there is no such collision or any such impacts that we can able to make any damage to the drones. So the instructors are very good comparing to other things. Even those who are not having any hands-on experience, or those are very new to the aviation industry or to the drone technology. Even people are, in my batch, the people are coming from IT sector, medical, pharmacy, everything. So the drone industry is getting increased. So you can take a next chance to come and visit Telangana Drone Academy and take a part in this. And you can be saying confidently you are a 100% drone pilot with full confidence without any issue. Thank you.